Orange and black, do they go? You'll find out today. And welcome back to yet another week of another fantastic painting. You're in for a treat today because we are going to be making a mess today. We're going to be doing a black canvas, a nice thin canvas. Check it out on the overhead camera. With this canvas, I plan to do a ghost pour up and down, and we're going to go in with another cityscape because I do like those cityscapes. The last painting I did was abstract. I said I wanted to get back to abstract. I'm torn between abstract and creating something that you can recognise as an actual painting. So that's where I'm at in my head at the minute, and what we've done is we've just coated this canvas in black paint, and I've run a horizon line with a pencil across the canvas. You might be able to see that on that top camera, I'm not too sure. And we're just going to go in, pour some paints across the horizon line, scrape it up and down. I might let that dry before I put it in the city. We'll have to see how that goes. So enough of me cracking on. Let's get down to painting.
Sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees, 'cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds, every day and every moment, every breath we take,
there it is, my final piece. Yeah, I'm overall quite happy with it. I need to sort of work on controlling the white flick with the paint, because I wanted it to be more sort of streaky, more of this effect rather than these blobs, so that was coming out a bit too heavy. But overall I think it adds an element of dynamics to it, so you sort of look through that side of things into the city. And yeah, hopefully, I think it works. I do absolutely love the blue coming through. Left the yellow in the middle as a bit of a there's a bit of complementary colour to the orange that's going in on the back of the painting. So yeah, that is this one finished, and I hope you really like this one. Comment down below your thoughts on this painting. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this video to watch the finished piece on this one. And don't forget, there will be more flow works in next week's video, so stick around for that. And until then, make sure you keep painting and chucking some paint on a canvas.